I'm really very happy to see everybody here today, and I'd just like to say that being a Labour voter for nearly over 35, 40 years now, I think there's time for a big change because I think as a Bangladeshi community we've always been put down by the major parties. They don't see us that we are, they may say that we are a contribution, but this Labour government at the moment does not really value us. If they valued us, then Keir Starmer would not have said what he said, and he cannot go back saying he didn't mean it, because as a leader, whatever he has said, he meant it totally, because he was addressing the people of the Sun newspaper. And the Sun newspaper does not represent the Labour Party and does not